Yo, what's up guys? Today I am going to work on this problem on Codewars. Take a 10 minutes walk. So in this problem we are going to write a function that will take in an array, a list of direction, whether north, south, west, or east, so that this function will return true if if you can walk in however directions, and then return to your original position in exactly 10 minutes. So this is the problem, and we are going to write this function. So first of all, we need to understand what is asking of us. So let's say if we started from this position and we go north, and then go west, and then north again, and then go east. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's say we go north again, and here we have to go back to the original position somehow in exactly 10 minutes. So each time we walk in one direction, it will take 1 minute, and so therefore we can only go into 5 directions, like at the maximum 5 direction before we have to go back, because going back will take we need to go back. That would consume the last 5 minutes. So it could be either I don't know, go east, south, south again. So 1, 2, 3. I need 2 more. So south, and then we go west to go back to the original position. So how many? So if you notice, the first one is, this is north, this is west, north, east, north, right? So north, west, north, east, north. So there's 3 north, that corresponding to 3 south when we go back here. 3 minutes of going south, and then 1 minute of going east here, and then 1 minute of going west, which corresponding to the east and west here. So whatever we do, whatever direction we go, we have to go the exact opposite of that direction. So that's the way we are going to solve this problem. So let's, for example, let's say def, what's the name, is valid, and the walk. So the walk is either is a list of directions that we are going to walk. So our condition is if length walk equal 10 minutes. So we need, each direction will take 1 minute to walk. So the walk will need to be 10 minutes, and walk count of north equal walk dot count of south. So each direction will have the same amount of the opposite direction for this to work. And walk.count. So we're just counting the letter N, letter S, count east, and walk.count of west. So if this condition, if the walk satisfies this condition, we will return true. Else we will return false. So this is our function, and we will test if this will return true. Is valid. Okay, so it's true. If it's, let's say, W here, it will be false. Let's remove 1 minute. So this walk will only take 9 minutes, which will also be false. So time to submit our solution. Perfect. So this solution is pretty nice. It's only one if else clause. So thank you for watching.